We are still in the top 5 to be the next Sally Beauty, Sally Crew textured hair influencer. I need your help though. Make sure you head over to sallybeauty.com/Sally Crew or click the I button to vote for me, Asia, to be the next textured hair influencer. Let's win this thing, girl. Cast your vote today. What's poppin', fam? It's Asia, and today we're going to be reviewing the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair and Antidote collection. Let's hop straight into it. We're starting off with the shampoo. This shampoo lathers extremely well. It's great at starting the detangling process as well because it's moisturizing. However, it does a really great job at cleansing the hair. My hair felt really clean, but not dry or stripped. Once I had that rinsed out, I moved on to the mask. Now this hair mask is real thick in consistency, but it's also jam-packed with a lot of nutrients and it's great at detangling your hair further. I went ahead and I applied it to my hair, being sure to smooth it throughout, and I can tell you that my hair felt amazing, okay? I let it process for about 20 minutes and this is what my hair looks like. So I just took my little tangle teaser and I brushed through my hair and it was so easy, girl. So once I rinsed my hair out, I was ready to move on to styling. I applied the leave-in conditioner first. Now this leave-in conditioner is thick, like it is super thick, but it is very moisturizing. I did have to work it into my hair really well though. It didn't just go in. I had to kind of smooth it throughout, break it up into smaller sections, but the moisture that it provided was amazing. So I applied it onto 4 sections of my hair and then I moved on to the styling process. The 24 karat gold gel is a really thick gel, girl, but it is jam-packed with the moisture. I was super surprised at how this furthered the moisturizing process but still added some definition. A little bit of this product goes a long way and it does a really good job at making your curls pop. So I went ahead and I styled my hair. As you can see, I did a braid down the center and then I have 2 braids on the side, and then I used rubber bands in the front of my hair to create 3 squares on each side, and I twisted down the ends of each square. Once I finished that, I just twisted up the rest of my hair and that was pretty much it. I allowed for this to set overnight by just covering my hair with a bonnet. The next morning, I took the bonnet down and this is what we're working with. I started off by doing my edges and allowing those to lay down with the little edge wrap thing, and then I applied the Main Choice oil. Now this oil is the anti-breakage oil and it is very lightweight. It also helps to reduce frizz when you use it on your fingertips, and it added some shine. So as you can see, my definition is really good. It's really popping, and I just proceeded to take down the rest of my hair. My hair felt really good. It felt soft, but it also had a nice firmness to it, which let me know that this style was going to last a long time. Next, I moved on to adding jewelry. For this, I used gold filigree tubes and I just applied it over the rubber bands. I feel like this added a really nice touch to the style. And this is the finished style. This style actually lasted me for 8 days. To maintain this style, all I did was wrap it up with a head wrap. So let me know if you'll be giving these products a try. You can catch the links to all the products in the description bar. Later.